Edite kokku.
Oih, ma kogemata vaatasin ühe võõra naise peale.
What the fuck you did that? What the fuck you did? Holy shit.
No, sorry. But las ma lõhun läks.
Breaking this stuff is illegaalne. I don't give a fuck.
Mäeta, kui palju puuoksi ma maha tõmbasin.
Ja kuradi cut down everything.
Ma tõmbasin nii palju puuoksi maha.
Ongi või?
Jah. Siin on veel. Tura. Mul on pohhu.
No, mu sama asi. Me pidime Siimust minna, me kõnnime ringi praegu mõõdetult.
Ja ma tean.
Me raiskame aega. Ja ma tean nii ütlema. Urban Explorer. Oh, VR. In jungle. In Amazon. Oi vittu. Lõin oma jala ära. I break my leg. Call fucking ambulance. Holy shit.
Holy shit, look at this guy.
It's full out jungle. Where is the roads?
Where are we?
Yeah, where are we? I can't understand.
The fucking shit. There we go. Now we move on.
Yeah.
Fucking shit. It's breaking my leg.
Yes. My legs too. Holy shit.
We are not smoking it. That's what I promised.
Alcoholic. Bad. Oh.
In the jungle, look at this. Look what kind of weapon I found. Look.
Yeah.
Wow. So great.
It
Look
is.
at this, I do hockey.
Yeah, definitely can.
Look at this. Oh, look at
Holy
this.
shit.
In
You're
the
breaking stuff.
Yes, we are in the jungle.
Yeah,
So
jungle.
Look at this, look at this.
Oh.
Ah!
I think we escaped.
What?
I see road.
You see road?
I see beauty fucking house.
Holy shit, let's get the fuck out of here.
We get out in the jungle.
We got the fucking out in the jungle. Look at this big ass jungle right there. Wow, so great. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go find some people to fuck. No, I'm just kidding.
What? You kidding?
Yeah.
Ah.
You wanted it real life.
No.
What the fuck, you gay ass.
Mitä vittu, you're gay.
So we
You are gay.
escaped the jungle.
Yeah. And another jungle.
Oh.
What the fuck?
Õie tolm.
Crazy.
Vaatasin ülemist. I have allergies, but we need to move on.
Where?
To Siimusti.
Oh, yeah. I forgot.
How can you forget? You're the one who wanted it.
I don't know. What brain?
Now we are playing.
Playing.
Yeah.
What the fuck we are playing? Playing.
We are playing.
Praying. Praying for what?
For you to shut the fuck.
Okay. Why are you
That's
breaking
the
this stuff?
sound of a bell. That
Yeah.
tells us to move on.
In here, it's weird tradition to break stuff.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Homer Simpson.
So strong stick.
Yeah, strong
Yeah.
stick. Look at this. Bend, no break. Bend, no break. Do-do-do. Do-do-do.
Fear that animal.
Do-do-do. Do-do-do.
What the fuck are you singing? See, that's the problem right here. Here is the biggest pop star
Do-do-do.
in the world.
Do-do-do. Do-do-do.
You can't understand.
It's running from us. Here we go, jungle.
Yeah, get out.
Get out of the jungle.
It's
You're
we.
banished from the jungle
Yes,
for
it's
life.
we home.
Yeah, it's our home.
Our home.
Our.
Who gives shit, same thing.
Hour.
Hour. 1 hour.
1 hour.
I don't give a shit.
It's
Same thing
you
for me.
You have the right word, but you're pronouncing it wrong.
I don't give a fuck.
See? And now he doesn't give a fuck.
Yes,
Okay.
that's how it works.
Damn. You said you don't give a fuck.
Holy shit.
Yeah, holy shit.
I still...
I'm gonna take a holy shit in your mouth right now.
No,
Yeah. You said you don't give a fuck.
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
When?
Right now.
No,
Yeah.
I didn't say.
So how long is it gonna take
What?
for us to get there?
Where? Simst.
Yeah.
I don't know. 45 minutes? 40? 30
Okay.
minutes? I don't know.
What
Half
if I
hour?
kill your family?
My family.
Yeah.
Don't worry, they already paid to drink. They just paid.
Nice.
Yourself paid.
Nice.
Whatever, I don't care.
See, you said I don't care. So I'm gonna shit in your mouth.
No. Okay. No.
Yes.
No.
You said okay.
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I said kiwi. Oh, who the fuck posted? Ei, like for real. kuidas mitte-eestlased pronounce'iks sõna kivi?
Kivi.
Ei, nad hääldaks seda natukene nagu... Ma sain aru kogu see aeg, kui me kõndsin, ma ei viilminud.
Helkur.
Who gives a shit?
Exactly. You don't.
Kivi.
Kivi.
Rock you.
Ma olen nii kindel, et inglased ütlevad selle kohta rohkem nagu kiwi.
Kivi.
Kiwi.
Nagu see... Fruit.
Yeah. I'm gonna make a smiley.
Kuna ma laivi teele panen?
Just praegu nüüd.
Praegu panen laivi või?
Yeah.
Ma lõpetan. The fact I don't have fucking brain cells. I gonna upload all the videos on my YouTube channel. Nobody never gonna watch them. When they do, I need them to sue.
Every time you upload a video,
What?
you can delete it from the storage. Every time you upload a video.
What sa said?
Iga kord, kui sa uploadid ühe video, sa saad enda storage'ist selle ära delete'ida.
Jaa, ma saan enda saad channel'i selle alt ja selle kustutada.
Jah.
Ma kustutanud mõned live streamid ära, nagu sa nägid vist.
Jah. See kuradi oh no või ma ei tea, mis küll pask oli veel.
Jah.
Siin pole vähe, meil kuradi 6 kuud kedagi olnud.
Yes, the place is like dead. Last time, when somebody was here, it was like 2 years ago. Only things what live here is cars. And they are fake. Too. Like actually ma never see, ma pole kunagi näinud siimustit nii surnud. I hear voices in my head. No, nobody's behind me. It's just weird voices in my head. I'm going crazy. It's so dead place. I'm still recording that building. And you.
Nice. Your mom's.
And that too. And
empty bucket.
you wanna see my pocket? Black is green. And you wanna see how broke I am? You wanna?
Damn. Brokey boy.
Yeah, that's why you have to soup. No. So. It's boring, I know.
You see, how dead is this city? Is there dinosaur sounds?
Yeah,
Dinosaurs.
some weird ass noises. Actually, see on nii surnud, et ainuks asja, mis me kuuleme, on meie enda hääled
Just
ja fucking linnud.
tõsi.
That's how dead this place is. ta isegi süütab mu peale.
Fucking erilane.
He's scared of bees.
Your mom's scared of me.
Okay?
If I'm scared of bees, your mom is scared of me.
Oh. I talking Iris nobody except we. Step Bellis dead.
City is dead.
City. It's not even okay, city is not village.
It ain't a city. It's a village.
Okay, it's village. That's why it's dead. What you guys expect really think it's city?
Yeah.
Where city is that fucking tall crash? Nobody watching, I just talking to myself. And it's not cringe. Because the Iris fucking nobody.
Ain't nobody gonna hear us talk.
Yes.
Except for you.
And
Whoever
you.
is watching.
Whoever is watching.
Yes.
But nobody watching. It's all the idea. I have great idea.
Yeah. Great idea.
Wait a second. Idiot. And now it didn't say me that. Now niimoodi on tavalist videot. So, what we are doing right now? Eating grass. He likes grass. It's werewolf.
No,
Food.
I am Mr. Shifu.
Yeah, he's always only eating grass.
No.
We are so homeless. We don't have money and eat grass and breaking. And we take in shop stuff and fork out. We don't steal that. We just borrow whatever the bird was. I don't know. What's that idiot? Yes. Nobody literally anyway watching, so gonna watch that video. I mean, if I upload that, what the fuck? Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up! Okay, bitch. I think like car. We seen first time car. You never seen car. I'm not eating grass. He likes grass. It's but more than garbage. I mean garbage. His second favorite food is garbage. And then yes, it's just so garbage. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing right now. I'm making strange noises. But you know, you have no brain cells.
The burning material right there.
Burning, yeah, we try to burn something. Not really, but no. No. Oi vittu, you seeing the crashy phone, whatever I'm doing right now. Issand jumal. Idiots, kids on our idiots. It's 14. I don't break any rules. Actually, if we have account, it's breaking rules. What the fuck are you doing?
Nobody cannot see me.
At least I don't do live stream. I don't do stream. So I'm just doing video. Let's just upload that shit right away. I'm going home. What the fuck? Nii kui ma koju lähen, ma uploadin selle kui video. See tuleb üks pikk mingi kuradi 20+ minutine video. His mom don't give me food him in whatever. So yes, it's like crash. And he likes crash. He likes crash. I'm talking to you. It's same thing with trash. Crash ja trash. Two favorite things. Holy shit. Tule ma vihkan seda pusa, see on nii närvi mind. Siit jääb alati see külgi nii kõvasti kinni. So. Oi, no, you. Whatever. Talk. I'm not doing live stream. Päriselt lõpeta ära see näkku viskamine.
But I have a black dog. I don't like black dog that barks all the time.
Yeah, I don't like dogs that both bark all the time. Hear the fearful noises. It's all around in this city. Shit, whatever.
Shitty.
Down, actually. My bad. English. What the fuck in English? I mean, English. It's not my first language.
Yes, my muscles are getting very strong.
I'm still recording
this. My muscles are getting bigger.
I'm still recording this random ass video.
Yeah.
Sport. You see cat? You don't guys see. It's just so bad.
Holy shit.
Guys, you know, when we say word guys, we mean we, because nobody else gonna watch these videos.
Guys.
Like, or what the fuck you are, guys.
Look at this piece. People who are also there.
Yeah, this guy thinks they're gangsta.
Gangsta.
Yeah, walking around, sitting around,
just go to Maxima
around.
Buy some sandwiches, maybe.
What?
Saiakesi.
Fucking hate that shop.
I know, right? I hate it too.
No way, I'm not gonna go there. Fucking hate that shop.
We went there last time as well, nothing happened.
No, nothing happened, I just don't like the shop.
Why you don't like it?
I better go some Coop, but that's closed.
Yeah, Coop is gone.
I think we're gonna go Remy. It's boring. What?
Remy doesn't have much stuff.
Yes. It's full start targeting only English. Random ass reason.
I know, right?
Yeah. Now watch how pricey everything is.
It ain't that pricey.
It is, motherfucking
Sandwiches?
sandwich.
Yes.
One sandwich.
See on 9 senti. See on
It's so-
suitsulihapirukas. Mini. Juustorull.
Garbage, what you call this?
Yeah, no shit, bruh.
Yeah.
So this place has been...
This
Ja,
place.
see on ikka veel siin.
Yeah, it's here still.
What the fuck?
Who gonna buy something like that for that price?
59 euro. I just broke it.
I don't give a
Stickers.
Somebody mom said no. Like
Yep.
we can't do anything.
Let's buy
About-
this on a sandwich.
Yes, we broke, guys. Have to sue. You have to. What's that dumb bitch? Buy
Yeah.
one bread. It's just we don't have money for. We're not begging for money.
I mean, see ei ole halb. Belgia.
And mõtle, kui ma selle video üles lähen, siis keegi välismaale vaatab, mis begging for money.
Never mind.
Feel not. Holy shit, what's going on here? Sa võiks mingi vennik olla lambis. Tahad, tõmban aksi sulle. Tõmban mingi võlust välja perest mingi AK. Tegelikult mingi vennik papp, kuradi, mina ei tea mida.